Lightspeed Restaurant Review. Hello and welcome to our channel, WebWiz. In this video, I'm going to review Lightspeed for Restaurant. And to create an account on Lightspeed, you can check the link in the description below, in which by using the link, you may also get some discounts or rewards upon sign up. And please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. But before that, if you don't know Lightspeed Restaurant POS, it is a cloud-based point-of-sale system designed specifically for the restaurant industry. It offers a comprehensive suite of features to help restaurants streamline their operations and enhance the dining experience for customers. And Lightspeed Restaurant POS enables restaurants to manage orders, payments, table layouts, and staff scheduling efficiently. It also includes tools for inventory management, menu customization, and reporting and analytics. And aside from that, the system is highly customizable and can be tailored to the unique needs of different types of restaurants, from fine dining establishments to quick service cafes. Lightspeed Restaurant POS aims to provide restaurants with the technology they need to increase efficiency, improve customer service, and drive growth. And aside from that, Lightspeed Restaurant reporting and analytics capabilities provide valuable insight into sales trends, inventory levels, and employee performance, empowering restaurant owners to make informed decisions and optimize their operations for success. With its user interface, scalability, and dedication to innovation, Lightspeed Restaurant is a trusted choice for restaurants of all sizes looking to elevate their service and drive business growth in today's competitive market. And now that we know the overview about Lightspeed POS, we can now proceed by knowing other details of Lightspeed Restaurant, starting to the features it offers. In which, as you can see, some of the features it offers including table management, which is efficiently manage table assignments, reservations, seating arrangements to optimize restaurant flow. It also offers order management, which is easily take and customize orders, split bills, and transfer items between tables to accommodate guest preferences. And it also offers menu customization to create and customize menus with photos, descriptions, and pricing to showcase your offerings effectively. It also offers inventory management that you can track inventory levels in real time, receives alerts for low stock items, and automate purchase orders to ensure efficient supply chain management. And it also has integrated payments to securely process payments, including credit, debit cards, cash, and mobile payments directly through the POS system. Now moving on to its pricing plan, its monthly subscription amounting to $69 per month per register, while add-ons is additional features such as accounting integrations, loyalty programs, or online ordering may require additional fees. And in terms of hardware costs, hardware bundles are available for purchase with prices ranging from $899 to $1,299 per terminal. With the transaction fees, transaction process fees may apply typically around 2.6% plus 10 cents per transaction for in-person payments and 2.6% plus 0.3 cents for online payments. And in terms of installation and training, professional installation and training services are available for additional costs typically starting at $499. And the support and maintenance, ongoing support and maintenance are included in the monthly subscription fee, with optional premium support available for an additional fee. But the question is, who should choose Lightspeed Restaurant? Well, Lightspeed Restaurant POS is a choice for businesses in the hospitality industry such as restaurants, cafes, and bars. Its advanced features and user-friendly interface are perfect for places looking to improve their operations, enhance customer satisfaction, and boost their business growth. Restaurants focusing on table service will find Lightspeed table management tools for organizing seating, managing reservations, and handling orders efficiently. Moreover, businesses wanting to streamline menu offerings and inventory management will find Lightspeed's customizable menu creation and real-time inventory tracking features beneficial. Additionally, with integrated payments and customer relationship management capabilities, Lightspeed is an option for businesses wanting to simplify payment processes and build customer relationship through personalized service and loyalty programs. Now moving on to some of the alternatives of Lightspeed POS. The first one is Square POS, in which it is a cloud-based POS system for retail stores of all sizes, while Clover POS is an all-in-one point-of-sale system, while Rebel POS is a cloud-based business solution that unifies operations, customer channels, and POS functionality into a single dashboard. And aside from that, we have also here Shopify POS as an alternative, which is a cloud-based POS system for retail stores of all sizes, and also Toast POS, which is a cloud-based restaurant management platform. Now moving on to user reviews. In terms of positive reviews, it has intuitive interface and ease of use. It has robust features like table management, inventory tracking, and integrated payments. And it also has excellent customer support, customizable menus, real-time sales, and inventory tracking. While the negative reviews is that, according to some users, occasional glitches or technical issues have happened. It is also time-consuming initial setup and learning curve. And it has high subscription fees and additional costs for smaller businesses. And it has limited customization options for certain features and reports. Now moving on to its customer support, Lightspeed Restaurant POS is known for its customer service with helpful representatives who are quick to assist with any questions or concerns. Customers appreciate the responses and successful resolutions to their issues. Lightspeed offers way to get support such as through phone calls, email, and live chat, making it convenient for users to seek help whenever. Moreover, Lightspeed provides a range of resources like guides and tutorials to help users troubleshoot problems and make the most of the POS system. And overall, users highly value Lightspeed's customer support for its reliability and effectiveness in addressing issues and offering guidance. And now moving on to its conclusion, or in summary, Lightspeed Restaurant POS is seen as an all-encompassing option specifically crafted to cater to the requirements of businesses in the hospitality sector. With its user interface, extensive features, and attentive customer service, Lightspeed empowers restaurants, cafes, bars, and other establishments to streamline their processes, improve customer interactions, and foster growth. Offering a range of tools including table management, real-time inventory monitoring, integrated payment solutions, and customizable menu design capabilities. Lightspeed aims to optimize and facet of restaurant operations. While some users may have faced difficulties like glitches or pricing issues, Lightspeed's dedication to innovation and client contentment ensures that businesses receive the assistance necessary for success in today's competitive industry landscape. So in conclusion, Lightspeed Restaurant POS is regarded as an efficient choice for businesses seeking to enhance their operations and provide dining experiences for their patrons. So while Lightspeed POS may require a higher initial investment compared to some competitors, its comprehensive feature set, robust performance, and dedicated customer support, making it a compelling choice for businesses looking to thrive in today's competitive market. And with Lightspeed POS, business can unlock their full potential, drive growth, and stay ahead of the curve in an ever-evolving industry. So that is just a review about Lightspeed Restaurant POS. Thank you.